Hello everyone, in this video I'll be explaining on the introduction of phase contrast microscopy. This phase contrast microscopy is an optical microscopy technique that converts phase shift in light passing through a transparent specimen to brightness changes in the image. Phase shifts themselves are invisible but become visible when shown as brightness variations. It was first described in 1934 by Dutch physicist Frits Zernike. Phase contrast microscopy improves the contrast and makes evident the internal structures of cells which differ in thickness or refractive index. The different parts of a cell and its surrounding medium have got different refractive indices. Unstained living cells absorb practically no light. Poor light absorption results in extremely small differences in the intensity distribution in the image. This makes the cell barely or not at all visible in a bright field microscope. A light microscope can be converted into phase contrast microscopy by using a special condenser and objective lens. When rays of light are passed through an object, they emerge in different phases depending on the difference of the refractive indices between the object and its surrounding medium. A special optical system called a special condenser and objective lens converts differences in phase into difference in intensity of light, producing light and dark contrast in the image. Partially coherent illumination produced by the tungsten halogen is directed through a collector lens and focused on a specialized annulus labeled condenser annulus and positioned in the substage condenser front focal plane. Wavefront passing through the annulus illuminate the specimen and either pass through undeviated or are diffracted or retarded in phase by structures and phase gradient present in the specimen. Undeviated and diffracted light collected by the objective is segregated at the rear focal plane by a phase plate and focused on the intermediate image plane to form the final phase contrast image observed in the eyepiece. This phase contrast microscopy is basically a specially designed light microscope with all the basic parts, in addition to which an annular phase plate and annular diaphragm are fitted, which includes the annular diaphragm and the phase plate, which are the main parts or components of phase contrast microscope.